Alrighty.
Hey.
Alright, so we got our Tupperware. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, so it's evening, there's still a little bit of sun shining, and we're gonna drive to a castle.
We've decided we're gonna take you guys on an adventure to a castle to eat some traditional German strawberry torte.
And also to go for a walk, hey?
And to go for a walk.
Good.
Genau. So we got coming up the street, look at this. It's pretty cool here on the mountain. Gesundheit. Oh, it looks like I'm driving.
Looks like I'm driving.
Oh, she's gonna take the reins. This is Tatiana reversing the car.
Safely.
Safely.
So safe.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
You know what I love?
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, the yellow fields. Well, look at the moon. It's so beautiful. It's gonna be full moon soon. We're gonna do some fasting one day before full moon.
Yeah. We've got a satsang to sit with Master Sri Akashna, and we're gonna do a 24-hour fast beforehand. Just water fast.
Yeah.
Just to calm our energies and take it away from the digestive system and help bring our energy back into the moment.
So beautiful. Baby cows.
Oh, cook! What have we got here? Have a look at that. Behind all that windscreen dirt, there is a castle. I promise you. Oh, there's a castle over there. So if you've never been to Germany before, there's amazing architecture everywhere. You probably know that already, but the places that didn't get bombed, they've still got some amazing architecture. So like beautiful stone buildings, massive stone buildings with pillars and what else? Castles.
Here's some nice sun.
Some nice sun, they've got some nice sun here too.
And this castle is actually owned by people, and real people, believe it or not. And sometimes they spend time at the castle. And these people are there, and they put up the flag, and then you can see from far away if they're at the castle.
There you go. Bit of local knowledge we're getting here. Bit of a local tour guide from the beautiful Tatiana. She'll be your
host. Oh, host is a little tired.
Let's go check out this castle. So over here you can see there's a cool little cafe, restaurant during the daytime, and if it wasn't Corona time you'd be able to go in there, have some beautiful traditional German food. So maybe Spätzle und Schweinehaxe und Weißwurst, Weißbier. Alles ist möglich, everything is possible. You'll be able to get sausages and big chunks of meat and noodles and salads and probably like 50 different types of beer. Wow, what's that? So this here is the night of the castle. It's called Ritter von Liechtenstein. The Knight from Liechtenstein. Halt! Who goes there? What is that? There's a castle! So apparently in this castle there was a princess she was captive in the castle up the top of one of the turrets.
Maybe we see the flag.
What does it say?
Do not touch.
There's a sign.
Do not touch.
No trespassing. Don't even think about it. Even though it feels like you're in a fairy tale, you're not in a fairy tale. This is the flippin' real world. Don't trespass. Don't even think about it. Around the other side there's another tower. At the moment over this side we've got a couple of, I don't know what they're called.
I mean, look at these little windows.
The little windows.
So cute.
So this is the castle wall around the outskirts of the area, right?
Yeah.
We've been in there before. This is the castle though. Oh, look. That's where the crocodiles would be living. So in case anyone tried to come across the what's it called, a moat. If anyone tried to come across this moat, that would be where the crocodiles are, and they would be eating you before you even got a chance to try and climb up this wall. But let's have a look through here. I think, what can we see? No, the bridge looks really safe. Tatiana thinks I should come off the bridge. I don't know. She thinks maybe I'm going to be covered in some hot tar or fish heads or something in a moment. But I don't think so.
Identify.
Look, kids know what's up. They're like YouTubers. This place is really cool, hey? So you got a pretty good ausblick, a pretty good view from up here. You'll be able to see any enemy forces that are going to come and try and take over your castle. What she just said.
Watch out, which is at the end.
She's threatening me. You can see all of this. She's threatening me.
No, never. I never would have done.
So this is like a mixture, looks like a mixture of stones and yeah, pretty much a mixture of stones and fossils here. So my old boss, he was working for Bergwatch, which is like they rescue people from the mountains, and this sign here, this one up here, that's saying what to do if somebody falls off here, because he told me that there's quite a few people that fall from up here. Which is kind of a scary thought. Alright, so here we are. We've come over the other side of the mountain to Mädelsfelsen so we can watch a proper German sunset. Because everyone knows that the sun sets a little bit differently depending on what country you're in. Right?
Yeah, this one tastes like
Vanilla?
creamy tomato.
Creamy tomato sunsets. This is the life. See you next video, guys.